Dear friends, welcome back. Although I've already made a video on this machine, Motherbox, the link of this video will be put into the video below so that you can check it out if you want the entire video with this machine. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'd like to take the manual way to get the shell by exploiting the SSTI vulnerability or server-side template injection vulnerability rather than utilizing the ready utility TPL map. Sometimes the manual way can be helpful for us to understand the exploit or the vulnerability better. Okay, so without further ado, let's just get started. We can switch into the Kali Linux VM, and what we are doing is challenge 3, and I've already opened up this application. Sorry, I need to close up. And during the maps stage, we have already know that the target is running the Python application on this port number, and we can check some names, for example, like JSON. So as you can see, whatever we submit by the get method, this parameter or this value, this string will be printed out again on the screen. Okay, so I think it's very suspicious that this application is vulnerable to the server-side template injection vulnerability. And we can do some checks, and where you can find a lot of payloads. For example, we can, of course, this link will be added into the description section below. And for example, we can check the web application to see whether this application is vulnerable or not. So for example, we can run, so how to test. In this video, I utilize this utility TPL map, and but this video will be using the manual way to exploit this vulnerability, and we can try something like that. Okay, and the Python, maybe I need to find the payload for the Python rather than Java or PHP. Okay. The Python. Okay, we can try some payload. For example, this one. 7 multiply 7. If the 49 result is printed or returned from the application, it means that the target indeed is vulnerable to the server-side template injection vulnerability. As you can see, it does. So how are we going to exploit this vulnerability? And we can go to which one? So I think we can copy maybe around, so which one? Maybe we can copy. I think I've already made a copy before. Anyway, we can paste over here, and we can run command like this one to make sure we can execute the command. Press enter. As you can see, the command ID has been successfully executed. So what can we do next? We need to run reverse shell command. And to do that, of course, I've already opened up this site, or maybe we can go to the reverse shell and open up this site. We can copy and we can paste over here. We need to do some modification. IP address of the Kali Linux, and also the port number. I can copy. Make sure we have already set up the listen on the Kali Linux. Okay, so we can sudo. And now we can replace the ID command by reverse command. Press enter. However, we got an internal server error, and we can go back. And then I think we can try, for example, like this one. We can copy again. And we can copy the IP address from this line and paste in here. We can copy. And then we can press enter. We got the same error, internal server error. So next we need to, maybe we can try the Python command, reverse command, reverse. And we can scroll down to copy the Python reverse command. We can copy. And we can put over here. But before we try this command, we need to check the version of Python, right? So we can, oh, not this one. We can copy this command again. And put over here the ID, which Python. So Python 2 is there on the target. So next, I think we can use the reverse Python reverse command, and we can copy the IP address of the Kali Linux, and also the port number, because there's some single codes and also double codes. So I think we need to escape the double codes. Also this one. And also around here. All right. And then we can copy the whole command. And we can remove, use double quotes. Paste over here, press enter. It looks like it's working. As you can see, we did get the collection from the target. Even I think this shell is better than, the shell we get from the utility TPL map. For example, we can navigate across different directories. Okay. And I'd like to do, what I like to do is just, exploit the server-side template injection vulnerability without touching other parts of this machine. If you want to have the entire video, you can check it out. The link will be added into the description section below. So that's all I'd like to showcase in this video. See you in the next one. Bye. Nice day, please.